All right, y'all, it's Privateer. I'm back with continuing steps. Got quite a bit done since the last time I showed you. I didn't sand it super fine, simply because I wanted that grain. You can still feel the grain up here. Some spots, obviously, it's very smooth. Other spots, it's grainy. I like that, and I wanted that. But so far, this is what it looks like inside. Now, what I have done, I have left completely untouched, are so far three things. This hinge, I did clean up. I've got to put new screws in, which is good because they still make the screws that were used for a lot of this. I left this one untouched. I de-stressed that one, just hit it with sandpaper to bring out some of the brass. Same here. This piece I left untouched. Really, I did clean up some of the rust on there. And if you see, that's very well oiled now, whereas it wouldn't have done that before. The other thing I left pretty much untouched is this. This is for when you put your square in. That's what that slot's for. Your square would go in there and come across and then up and, yeah. Actually, hold on. There we go. You'd slide it in there. It'd sit in there. You either twist it, that way or that way, either way. But I did, I left that untouched, other than I did put a very thin coat of clear over it. So that, I'm trying to catch it. I don't know. I like the way it looks. The main trunk, I did put the first coat of clear on the outside. Kind of went against my better beliefs on that one, simply because I'm not finished the inside. I'm not finished sanding that down yet, but I did want to get a look at what the wood would look like. And I'll show that in another video. I guess this will be trunk restoration part 2, 3, whatever. I don't really know at this point. But yeah, this is. Oh yeah, hold on. Now again, these are brand new. All these along here are all brand new, and I'll have brand new for the hinges. But some of those are old, or original. Actually, that one, and that one are original to the piece. But what else I did was take the original ones that were on the top. They had that green paint on it that the whole thing looked like originally. I sanded every single brass head except for one. I wanted to leave that simply because I wanted to show what it used to look like in certain spots. But this is kind of what it looks like now. I mean, obviously it's not put together yet, but, and I'm leaving these rough looks. Tells the story of the box. It's been through a lot. Anyway, Privateer, I'm kind of rambling on at this point. I will bring you another video. Until then, y'all have a blessed day.